Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the cabin air filter on your Honda Civic models 2016 through 2021. So here I am on the passenger side. This here is the glove box. We're going to pull down here, open the glove box. Now on either side you will see these two round things which are holding this glove box in place. So because I'm recording, I cannot use both hands, but all you have to do is put your finger in here, give it a push towards the inside, and that circular thing is going to pop out. The same thing you have to do on the other side as well. Give it a little pull, and now this whole glove box is gonna pop down like this. And this here is our cabin air filter back here. So you can see it says over here air flow. So to remove this plastic thing, you have clips on either side. So over here you have a clip, pull it towards the inside, it's gonna come out, and similarly you should have a clip on this side as well. Do the same thing, and bam, here it is. The plastic cover is now out and you have access to your cabin air filter. Changing it is as easy as pulling this guy out, and you can see mine over here has some leaves and stuff. And now all you need to do is replace it with the replacement one which you have got, which of course I have linked in the description of this video. So here it is. This is our brand new cabin air filter for the Honda Civic models 2016 through 2021. You will notice it does say airflow down arrow on one side, so that down arrow is going to point down towards the floor of your Honda Civic. And then all we're going to do is put this guy into place over here, slide it in, and then the next thing we have to do is put in our plastic piece on top. So here it is. This is our plastic piece. We're going to try and align the pull tab which we had removed. Airflow again is pointing downwards, and pretty soon we should be able to snap this into place. There it is. Finally, I was able to snap it into place with one hand. Same thing for your glove box. Lift it up, and then we are going to give it a little push towards the inside. One side went in, the other side also went in. Close this up, bam, here it is. That is how you change the cabin air filter on your Honda Civics from 2016 through 2021.